It's up to ourselves to remove the negative conditionings and negative thinking that have created so much agitation in our own minds and the collective mind of the world, all coming from fear-based and anxiety-based reactions. Reactions that started with an action, and the reactions just keep going and going and going in cyclic patterns for eons and eons and eons until we awaken the duality, the 10,000 things, one by one, completely awakens and then gets absorbed completely into the one. And it all starts over. Big bang, boom. Kalpas and kalpas, hundreds of thousands and millions of years, and a blink of an eye at the end. But all this big dramatic play, just everything happening. You've been everything, you've been everyone. There's nothing you have been not. And at the same time, you are nothing. That's who you are. Your essence is the substratum of everything that connects the inner connective web of everything. You are that. Once the individual consciousness realizes itself with the supreme consciousness, then things still happen, but nothing's real. You know nothing's real anymore. You've embodied that. Form is mere play, but it starts with thinking. The individual level, this process of awakening, if you want to call it a process, starts with changing the way you're thinking right now. Changing the way you're thinking or stopping thinking altogether, which is essentially the goal. Because then life just happens. And you're just watching the drama unfold and blissfully enjoying it, in fact. So, prayers to everybody, prayers to the world, sending all my love and grace, and Kitty. And Kitty knows it too. That we're all gonna get there eventually. Jaya Jagarambe.